Hey, hi guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video, we are going to understand the very interesting concept that is a document understanding. It is very important concept. Okay, so many times people are going to ask the question which is related to the document understanding in interview. Even enterprise level also, this is very important. Okay, so in this video, first of all, we are going to understand what exactly this document understanding and what is the use of this document understanding and how we can implement this document understanding. So already we are familiar with how we can extract the data from document. Like for example, suppose there is one PDF file and I want to extract the data from that PDF file. So we have already options like read PDF activity, read PDF with your share activity. So by using this, we can get the whole text which is available into that PDF file. Okay, but I want to extract the particular thing from that PDF. I want to extract only invoice number. I want to get only invoice due date. I want to get the bill address. So how we can do that? I want to identify the which kind of document. Sometimes document is a semi-structure. Some kind of document is a structured document. Sometimes document is a complex document. So how my bot is going to understand the document? So this document understanding is a next level of that. Okay, so what exactly this document understanding? It is a process. Okay, so it is a process to extract the data, and after extracting the data, it is going to convert that data into the meaningful information and convert data into meaningful information. Okay, meaningful information using AI and ML. So really, fellas, we require to understand the AI ML. We required any kind of code which is related to AI ML. You don't need to think about the AI AML because in UiPath is already we have options. Just you need to use that. Just drag and drop, and use that. That is the beauty of UiPath. You don't need to write the code which is related to AI and ML. Okay, just already thing is defined. Just you need to drag and drop and use it. Okay, so that means a document understanding. It is a process. It is the extraction methodology. Okay, so that is a document understanding. When I am talking about the document, so we have a multiple kind of document. Okay, so we have a multiple type of document, document structure document. Okay, sometimes we are getting the structure document. Then or next, suppose sometimes document is semi-structured document. Okay, semi-structured document. Okay, or complex document, but every time we need to extract the content from that document. Okay, so that is main our agenda. Okay, so these are all type of document. Structured document means what? Key value pair, like your Excel. That is a key value pair data. Okay, for a name is equal to Kailas. What is this? This is the structure format. Okay, semi structure means like invoice, or you can consider any bill. This is some contents are structure and some contain and unstructured. That is a this is a semi structured document. And last one is the complex, or I can say here unstructured document. Unstructured document. So this is the type of document. Okay, so under we can extract the data from this all documents. So that's why we have a document understanding. We need to understand the document. Yeah, this is the bill. Yeah, this is the invoice. Okay, how we can achieve that? So that's why we have a method. This is a framework. Document understanding means it is a kind of framework. Okay, what exactly document? It is a understanding means document understanding. It is a kind of framework. Okay, it's kind of it is a kind of framework. Framework means what? Framework means set of rules. We need to follow that. In document understanding also we have some set of rules. We need to follow that. What exactly this? It is a kind of extraction methodology. Okay, document understanding is a extraction methodology. So let's see practically. This is the theoretical thing about the document understanding. What exactly this document understanding and what kind of document we are going to understand here. So this is the theoretical stuff. Okay, then like now we are going to understand the practically. So I am going to open the orchestrator. Okay, first of all, we need to enable the document understanding service. How we can do that? First of all, you need to open your orchestrator, cloud.uipath.com. Then once write the cloud.uipath.com, you will get your orchestrator. Okay, here we have an option that is a product launcher. Click on that. Okay, here we have an option that is a admin. First of all, you need to check document understanding service is available or not here. If it is not available, then go into the admin session. Then click your tenant. Then here we have a service option. Click on that service and add your service, because for now all services enable for me. So that's why I don't have option. This is the add option. If might be in your case that add option which is enable in your case. Okay. So this is nothing but how we can get the document understanding. Okay. First of all, I'm going to cover the document understanding, and then we will cover next video. I will cover IXP, intelligent extraction process. Okay. So after click on that more icons, here we have option document understanding. Okay, document understanding. See, after click on that document understanding, we will get the two options. One is the structure and semi-structured document, and third and second is the unstructured and complex document. For that purpose, we have a IXP. We will understand in next video IXP. What exactly is IXP? For being, we are going to understand the modern document understanding. Here we have an option that is a create project. I am going to click on create project. Here we will get the two options, classic and modern. When I am going to click modern, you will get the two options, enable the helix classifier. After enable the helix classifier, so it is like going to use a EML, okay, to classify the document. Okay, so this is the option. Okay, enable the helix extractor. This is also going to same. Okay, and 2.0 version means it is going to use the EML extractor. Okay, here I am going to give the name of project. So for example, invoice extraction process. I am going to give the project name or process name. Okay, and here I am going to click on click button. Okay, once click on that button, you will get this kind of page, or you will land on this page. Here we will get the four options like build, measure, publish, and monitor. First of all, we are going to build the process. I'm going to click on build and add document type. I'm going to click on add document type. Select the document type. Either you can select the custom, or like it is invoice, then you can select the invoice. You have like directly we have invoice option. For now, I'm going to select the custom, and here I'm going to give the name like invoice document, and I'm going to click on add. Yeah. After that, you will get the two like option. Here we have a classifier and the invoice doc. Here we need to play. Okay. I need to define the what are the things I need to get. Here we have exception for view, or click on this more icon and click on this document type manager and add your field. Okay, so I need to extract the invoice number. I need to extract the date, or I need to extract the bill address. I need to extract the total amount. Like first of all, I need to get the invoice number. Invoice number I need to get as a string. So leave as it is. I'm going to click on add another page. So next I want to get invoice underscore billing address. Okay, and here we have a add field. Now I am going to add the my field is invoice underscore date or due date. Again I am going to add field. Suppose I want to get the invoice total amount. Okay, which is also kind of string, and I am going to click on save. These are all field. First of all, we need to define the all field. Go back, and here we have option click to browser. We need to upload the files, PDF files. I'm going to click on browse. Minimum 30 document is required for now. Okay, here we also mention, see, upload a minimum 30 document samples. Okay, so I'm going to upload this all invoices. Okay, and click on open. Now, first of all, you will get the status is uploaded. Then next status is the processing. Once you complete the processing, you will get the activate like that status. Just wait for that status. Yeah. Now all invoices is going to be processing. Once you complete the processing part, then we need to annotate that all field. Yeah, this is the invoice number. Yeah, this is the billing address. Yeah, this is the total amount. Yeah, this is the see status going to be changed available for annotate. Okay, yeah, process available. Here we have like notification like training not started. Click on that training not started. Here we have a option that is a annotate. We need to annotate the each and every field. Okay, so we have a majorly four field. Okay, directly it is going to capture the field invoice total amount. Based on that a field, it is going to extract the invoice total amount. Where is this? This is the total amount. Yeah, this is the correct. I'm going to select. Next is the invoice date. This is my invoice date 24/4. This is going to find for me. Then invoice billing address. Yeah, this is also going to find for me. Invoice number. This is also fine for me. And if it is not means if it is not it is wrong means you need to mark as a missing. Mark as a missing. Okay. Otherwise, if it is not available means okay. I'm now to click on this button. Then okay. Then here we have option next button. Again, it is going to extract it. Just we need to confirm the all field. Here we have a two option. Either you can click on confirm one by one and then go next. Otherwise, confirm and next. I'm going to click on confirm and next. Yeah, every field is fine for me. Okay, just click on confirm and next. Confirm and next. Yeah, invoice number, total amount. Yeah, everything is fine. I'm going to click on confirm and next. Confirm and next. Okay, invoice billing address. Okay, okay, that is fine. Back. Wait for page load. Okay, yeah, this is extracted. Okay, confirm and next. Confirm and next. Still, our training is not started. Okay, once I annotate the all field, okay, all document, see, that's going to be changed. Here means what? Annotate. Meaning of this right means annotate. Okay, yeah, extracted field, annotate, confirm and next, confirm and next. Quickly, I'm going to complete this all part. Okay, so yeah, it is fine for me. This is also fine for me. Yeah, this is also fine for me. How many documents is there? I think 30 documents. And whenever you are going to uploading the document, uh, like try to avoid the duplicate. Okay, so name is not going to duplicate. Okay, if invoice number is same, that's fine, but name it is going to change. Otherwise, it is not going to allow. Already that document is exist in the uploaded. Already document is uploaded. Kind of error you will get. Okay, so go back and check here. Still, our status is training not started. Okay, means what? We have uploaded 25 documents, so that's why training not going to start it. Like minimum again 30 document is required. Okay, what is here? We have a recommended system. Annotate a minimum 5 pages. Currently, there are not enough sample like begin model training. Okay, so I am going to again upload the some document. Here we have also upload option. Okay, under the invoice, desktop. Yeah. Again, we required a three sample, correct? So yeah, I'm going to just change the name of three invoices. Otherwise, it is not going to allow the same invoice for me. Okay, so instead of this 8, 82, 83, and 84. Sorry, 84. Yeah, I'm going to click on anywhere, and again I'm going to upload this document. There is my path here. Upload. Upload and annotation is required. Yeah. So we have again uploaded three documents, means of remaining 5 documents. Okay, currently status is processing. Now you will get the available option, and then again after uploading the document, like you need to annotate that. Okay, yeah, status is available. Yeah, see, now training going to be started, but we need to annotate that. Okay, annotate whatever the document is uploaded, it should be annotated. For uploading the document, you need to annotate that document. Okay, next. Yeah, I'm going to click on confirm and next, next, confirm and next, confirm and next, confirm and next, confirm and next. All document has up annotated. Yeah, after completing that annotation part, uploading and annotation part, you will get the option like training in progress. Might be it will take more time. Okay, 30 for 30 document, it will take 20 minutes. Okay, or more than also. I'm not sure, but it will take more time. Okay, so like after completing the training, okay, so now it is showing the good. Okay, my score is going to be good, and my project score is going to be 87. Like it depends on your field and number of documents. Score it is depends on your number of document and number of field. Okay, like for this, I'm going to click on this project score. Here we have option C, like 22 up to 90 your score is good, and above that 90 it will be like excellent, and below that like 80 it will be poor. So our now now it is showing good and project score is 87. This is fine for us. Okay, So next step is a major. Okay, first step is a build. We are what exactly we are doing here into this build step. We are going to just like create a field. We are going to give the all create a field. Okay, and after complete the field, then we need to upload the all document and annotate the all field. Once I complete the annotation part, training gets started. Okay, so this is the steps. Okay, and this is interview question, guys. What are the like status of that document? Means like what is the status of that? Means first time status goes to like uploaded. Then second step is a processing, then available. Okay, these are the statuses of that document. Okay, next step is a major. Okay, so here we have a same thing. It is showing like what is the data set, and here we have a option like 0 to 40. It's like score, and put 20 to 40 like it is average score. 40 to 60 it is like good score, and above 60 to excellent, above 60 like that. Okay, I think it is for based on your documentation and field. Okay, so next is the important step is a publish stage. Okay, so what we are doing here, just we are going to publish our project. Okay, so I'm going to click on publish. Okay, then create project version. We need to create a version of that project. Give the name of that version, invoice. Okay, invoice underscore extraction. Okay, so du modern du. Okay, modern du, and I'm going to select the model. This is my model, and include these two model. Okay, and I'm going to click on create. Yeah, that's it. Now this is the undeploy project. Okay, so here we have a option to deploy the project. Okay, just click on this toggle button. It is going to be deployed. Yeah, now this project, this version is going to be deployed. So how we can use this project? Okay, so here we have option like open the studio web or desktop. We have a two option. Either you can open this project in desktop or web. Like studio web form, fine. This is going to be fine for me. I'm going to click on open studio web. Okay, so now it is going to create a project for you. Okay, all step is already created. Just click on that studio web. It is going to open that process in studio web. Yeah, wait for that. And special thing is it is going to create a storage bucket for you. Okay, you don't need to create a storage bucket. So it is going to create C. So retrieve the file. Okay, so it is going to retrieve the say, file from storage bucket. Yeah, this is my storage bucket, and input file is a directory into the storage bucket. Okay, so for each, now I'm going to check the storage bucket. I'm going to open my orchestrator. Orchestrator and storage bucket. Yeah, storage bucket, and this is my storage bucket name. Du invoice extraction. Okay, now I'm going to check that. Sorry, this one. Yeah, du invoice extraction process resources. Okay, yeah, this is fine. I'm going to open this. Yeah, by default it is going to upload the any random document. Okay, invoice. Okay, now I'm going to execute this. Sorry. Yeah, so this is the project. Yeah, I'm going to directly start. For being, I'm going to disable this validation step. I don't want to validate this. Okay, directly I want to see the extraction steps. Okay, so here I'm going to click on debug to cloud. Okay, I'm going to run this process. See what exactly it is going to extract. Yeah, for each it's going on, extraction is going on, extract document data. Then once I complete it, write extraction. Yeah, this is similar to write line or log. See, now you can see the result. Okay, my invoice number is 848350 and invoice date is December 22, 2021, and this is the billing address and this is the invoice number. Now I'm going to cross check that one. Okay, so this is my invoice. Okay, now I'm going to download this. Okay, and open that invoice. Yeah, I'm going to open this invoice. So I'm just, yeah, this is the date. This is the like invoice number. Where is the invoice number? My invoice number is, yeah, invoice number is 4405. Now I'm going to check 4405. Everything is fine. Okay, everything is same. Okay, as per document. Okay, suppose I want to write this data into the Excel. So how we can achieve that? Like you can say you can use the right range activity here. Okay, so in the same loop, okay, what I'm going to use, I'm going to upload one more document into the storage bucket. Okay, because we have for each activity now. So I'm going to upload the one more document. Okay, upload document, browse, but you need to remember this. Upload, always upload this document in directory. So my directory is the input files. Okay, you need to mention the directory in that workflow. Yeah, input files, under this input file, it will upload this document. Okay, now we have a two document. Again, I'm going to upload one more document. It is going to extract the one by one document, and my directory is a input file. Yeah, files. Okay, upload. So we have a three document. Okay, I'm going to extract the one by one. Okay, and put into the Excel. So my Excel which is available into this. Okay, this is the Excel. Okay, yeah, for OneDrive I'm going to upload the, this is my Excel file. I'm going to write that data into this Excel, this Excel which is available into the my drive. Okay, first of all I'm going to empty that, I'm going to clear that Excel. Okay, so now we don't have any data which is available into this Excel. Okay, just I'm going to run this process. Okay, so we need to write the data into the Excel. Okay, so this is my project. Yeah, here again, here I'm going to apply the right range activity. Okay, right range. Okay, first of all I'm going to apply the if activity. First time we need to write the data, next time we need to append the data. So I'm going to apply the if activity, and if first time means if index is 0, means what is the output of any looping activity, that is the index. So based on index I'm going to check that it is first iteration or second iteration. If it is 0 means index is 0 means what, this is the first iteration. Okay, greater than 0 means it is a second iteration. Okay, so then block I'm going to put the right range activity, right range. Okay, so Excel right range. Yeah, we need to create a integration service for this Office 365. Okay, then connect, then it is possible to use this right range activity. Okay, so then here we need to mention the workbook. My workbook is, this is my workbook. Okay, book. Okay, and my seat is seat 1. Okay, seat 1. Overwrite, that is fine. What exactly I need to write? I need to write the invoice document data. What is the output of this extraction? So extraction output is, that is a, yeah, invoice document data. This is the output of this extraction. Invoice document doc data. Okay, yeah, this is the file. Okay, so but it is kind of a list. Okay, so just you need to fix this issue. Okay, it is going to take a first row from that it list. Okay, yeah, default first or default. Okay, I'm going to click on save. Convert that variable to data table. Okay, because right range requires input as a data table. Okay, so next is the else part. So under this else part, again I'm going to use the right range, but this time I don't want to write the data, but means I don't want to write the overwrite the data. I need to type like I need to append the data. Okay, right range. Yeah, right range, and this is my workbook, and I'm going to save it. And I don't want to include the headers, and my seat name is the seat 1. I don't want to overwrite, I want to append the data, and my like result is this one. Okay, and here we need to fix this issue because it's a not data table. Okay, yeah, automatically it is going to take a data from that variable and create a table. Okay, that's it. Save it. Yeah, I'm going to just check this if activity under the loop or not. Yeah, it is in loop. Okay, it is going to get the one by one file from storage bucket and extract the data and write into the Excel. Okay, again it is going to take a next file, extract the document data and write into the Excel. Okay, so this is my workflow here. So now I'm going to start this. Yeah, it has started. The extraction is going on. Once I complete the extraction, first time it is going to write the data into the Excel. Second time it is going to append the data into the Excel. Same Excel. Yeah, this is nothing but how it is going to means modern document understanding. How we can work with modern document understanding. If suppose your document is structure or semi structure, then you can apply this logic, modern document understanding. So create a like train your document. If suppose any missing or anything is like not coming, you need to again upload the one more upload the document, more document, and train that field. Okay, so you will get the result. Okay, so my execution is going to completed. Now I am going to check that Excel file. Yeah, we have a output. Okay, we have a output. Yeah, total invoice amount, total amount, due date, invoice number. So I think this is same invoice or different. I think different. Okay, yeah, this is nothing but a how we can extract the data from document using modern document understanding. This is the modern document understanding. So these are like steps you need to follow that. Okay, so if you have any problem or any issue occurs during the development, so try to put the chart into the chat box.